This is the IGBT module inside an inverter AC outdoor unit.
IGBT receives around 310 volts DC from the DC bus.
IGBT switches on and off at very high speed.
Microcontroller controls IGBT using PWM signals. IGBT converts DC into three-phase variable AC.
This AC power runs the inverter compressor motor.
By changing frequency, compressor speed increases or decreases.
This is how inverter AC saves electricity.
If IGBT fails, compressor will not start. IGBT converts DC into controlled AC to run the compressor efficiently.
Welcome back to Tech Fault. If you're new here, hit like and subscribe, and please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.